Mr. President.
Oh
President Trump.
yes, oh yes. Hey, how are you? Are you good? I'm very good. Weather is very good. Place is good. Very tender mess. China, very good.
Asim
But-
Munir.
No. He's a very good person. And Mr. Shabazz Sharif, he's a very good person.
He's very good, right?
Yes. But I don't want. I want cut off. Please open. No, I close. Close. It's closed.
What happened?
Everything is closed.
What?
Hormuz is closed.
Yeah.
China is closed. Sorry.
China is closed.
Please open the Hormuz. No, I close.
What?
Because
Actually, you are so confused, and the Trump is confused too. He doesn't know what's going on.
you just stop and listen to me. I'm not.
I won't stop you. Go.
No, I'm not confused. I want you open Hormuz. If you don't open, I close.
I close camera. In the middle of the jungle, we found Mr. Trump.
You know,
Mr. President Trump.
They want to do agreement with me, but I don't know who want to do.
What?
I don't know who want to.
What?
Iran want to do agreement with me, but I don't know who want to agreement.
What?
I'm not hurry. No problem.
You're not in a hurry?
No.
Okay.
Please quickly do with me agreement.
That's so funny, man. You're funny.
Please open the Hormuz. Oh no, I close Hormuz. Come on.
So in this, there are two options. Either you go on the cable car that we came here to this place, or you go by walk about 1 or 2 kilometers, and then you take a bus. So we already came on the cable car, so we decided it's better to walk, and we can enjoy the view and listen to the birds singing. So birds are singing, yeah. So we decided to walk through this jungle and then go to take a bus. So that's what we are doing right now. That's where we are going. But they say if you guys come back and want to go back by the cable car, you need to pay extra 20 RMB. So, well, Money is not an issue. 20, it's okay. It's not that expensive. It took like 40 minutes by cable when we came from that place to this. I'm going to show you where is the cable. You see that cable car behind me? No? Okay, let me show you the back. You see there? Can you see it? Yeah, right there. Right, that one, yes. So yeah, we're walking. On the way there are a few stops. You can stop for bathroom, or go to toilet, or you can have quick snacks or drinks, or you want to sit and have a break right there. So pretty much everything is there. Actually, we came down to see some elephants, like earlier I told you guys, but there are no. That's unfortunate. Well, this is the area. You can get some snacks and drinks. So Ali is there, he's walking. Yeah, Ali, quickly. View is so very beautiful. Yeah, the water, this is a rain.
River.
Yeah, this is a rainwater, that's why it's dirty. But the view is good. Yes. Oh. It's good there. Oh. Yeah. Look at this tree. Whoa. There was a bee sitting on right on the gimbal of this camera, but I can't show it. This is good. You see a lot of butterflies and few birds actually. And
Look ant.
it's red.
Red ant.
Oh, it's not zooming in. What the hell is that? Hello.
Yeah, I'm from Pakistan. Thank you. How you know?
The sea.
Just see from
yeah,
person.
from the skin or
How far it is? How far?
the north door about 10 or 20
Minute.
minutes.
Okay, thank you.
可以的，我们很近的。谢谢。
Damn it.
我只说必见。
저기 전화 신疆전화 인디언. 아주 뭐라다 인디언 좋아져 상게.
मुखे भी चौना अंजाम करने का नहीं तो खेल चौना तो खेल अपने रंग करो पर
먼저 보고 꼬내고 들려면 가로 와. 우리가 가네가.
唱起来呀嘛好嗨，跳起来呀嘛好嗨，我买的歌啥啥啦啦哩，啥啦啦啦，啥啦啦哩来，跳起来呀嘛好嗨。
wow good job good that's good
来什么
okay
？OK，
你是老师，你教吧。
我不知道啊。我也不知道啊。
she's a good singer
我们不参见那要下几声，哈你要船头的，可惜有酒。
来了，等一下。
你
Yeah
不在翅膀，自由的飞翔哎。 沙哩，美丽的蝴蝶妹妹，啊呼啦巴沙喏，我小时候看的山茶花，看在心里埋在毛里，梦幻中的蝴蝶谷。
okay good job
哦，你是真的厉害呀！啊，你
good good
这特别好啊！你儿子啊，知道啊，儿子。
也像出没时大猩猩。
看看，非常好，他们。OK，谢谢。
we're almost there okay we are almost there we walked all the way 1 hour and now we'll take a bus still that woman still want to sing her voice is good